Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to cover how to multiply fractions. So let's get started. We are going to go through 4 examples to understand how to multiply fractions. When it comes to multiplying fractions, there are only 3 steps that we need to know. Step 1 is to multiply the numerators, Step 2 is to multiply the denominators, and Step 3 is to simplify. Multiplying fractions is simpler than adding or dividing fractions because we do not need a common denominator. So let's start with the first question. We multiply the numerators by the numerators, so the top numbers by the top numbers. 1 times 1 is 1, and now we multiply the denominators together, i.e. the bottom numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now we look to see if we can simplify the fractions, which is step 3. And 1 over 9 is our simplest form because the only common factor between 1 and 9 is 1. So this is our final answer. Now on to number 2. 3 over 4 times 2 over 7. We use the same rules. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 7 is 28. Now this is not in its simplest form as there is a common factor between 6 and 28, which is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 28 divided by 2 is 14. So 3 over 14 is our final. Now on to number 3. 4 fifths times 3 sevenths. 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 7 is 35. The common denominator is 5, so 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So our final answer in its most simplest form is 4 over 7. Now on to number 4. 4 over 5 times 3 over 6. 4 times 3 is 12 and 5 times 6 is 30. There are a couple of different ways you can simplify this. You can either break it down into multiple steps, or you can find the greatest common factor between 12 and 30, which is 6, and just do it in one step. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So our final answer would be 2 fifths, which is in its simplest form. And what I mean by multiple steps is that we can divide 12 over 30 by 2 first, so we have 6 over 15, and then we can see that it can be broken down further because it has another common denominator of 3. So we can divide again by 3, so we get 2 over 5. This is what I mean by multiple ways to simplify depending on what route you take. So now that we have gone through 4 different examples, it's time to go to our bonus question. Now I want you to try and answer this by yourselves and leave your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe for more.